All right. So we will be learning about fake news. What is fake news? Fake news is obviously it's just news that is fake, news that is inaccurate. It's not real, not true. Um, Stuff that has either never happened before, stuff that has been extremely exaggerated, making the topic seem much worse or much better than it actually is. A lot of the time, fake news is conspiracy theories, and conspiracy theories are ideas that could be true, but there's no actual proof or evidence. So, yeah. All right. So for the homework review, our homework assignment was to find out how many users Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook had. And so yeah, the results were Instagram actually, and then you guys are supposed to guess how many bots they had, and a lot of you guys were actually really close. But yeah, well, Instagram had 95 million bots out of their 1 billion users. Twitter, there was about 50 million bots out of their 330 million users, and for Facebook, there was 150 million bots out of their 2.7 billion users. So why I wanted to do this was because I just wanted to kind of like show you guys like how many bots there really are out there, because I'm about to introduce you guys to why bots aren't really ideal, especially when it comes to fake news. They're not good at all. Yeah, so what is so bad about bots? The reason bots are bad is because they're the ones who produce the fake information, also known as the fake news. Yep. Why do bots exist? They exist for pushing opinions based um, on others based off of exaggerations and fake information. Gets their point out in a really persuasive way, makes people act on impulse and share the share the fake information. They exist also to make money. Fake news articles are really interesting. They make their fake information hard to avoid. You see it, you just want to click on it. It's also known as clickbait. When advertisements are up and running on fake news sources, it creates money for people behind the bots. So people click on it, there's an ad running in the background. Um, yeah, people are paying to have their advertisements up on the site. So yeah, it makes them a lot of money, especially once people start sharing it. And yeah. Why is fake news bad? Since the information in the fake news is either not real or extremely over exaggerated, it can ruin people's lives if the fake information is making claims that someone was doing bad things that they weren't actually doing. So, say there's an article that says someone uh, committed some crime, but they didn't actually do that, but everyone believes it because it gets shared all over social media. That's just a little example, but yeah, it's stuff like that. A big example of this is through our presidential election process. Yeah, in 2016 in the past, but Russians have created fake news sites, which through a little data was proven to swing a lot of people's votes because of the fake information making certain candidates sound bad. So yeah, interference is obviously not good. So to sum up this, what we learned is fake news is about information that isn't true or is extremely exaggerated. Um, it's created through bots, which flood popular social media sites, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, the ones that kids are on a lot. And then it gets spread by humans based off of their reactions to the crazy and interesting fake information on these articles, which we also learned is clickbait. Fake news exists either to make money, which it is most of the time, or to push opinions on others based off of fake or exaggerated information. Fake news is dangerous because of the reactions of normal people and the outcomes that result in that. So yeah, it's dangerous because people react to that and be outraged or shocked and spread it, and it's spreading. The spreading of fake, not true things is never good. All right, so now that you guys are introduced to social media, I will be getting you guys some assignments to work on, and it's going to be about how many bots are on social media platforms that you guys use. I think it's important for you guys to be able to identify them, and with more experience, I'm sure you guys will be able to sniff out these bots and fake news. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get you guys experience on how to avoid fake news. And yeah, thank you.